Asalam-o-Alikum. Our today lecture is about international economics, and we will start from the first theory, which is absolute advantage theory. Absolute advantage theory. So what is absolute advantage theory? International trade is beneficial only when two nations have absolute difference in the cost of production of the commodity in which they specialize. When there is absolute difference in the cost of production of the commodity in which they specialize, so then the international trade is possible and as well as the international trade is beneficial. Absolute advantage refers to one individual, company, or country's ability to produce more of a particular good or service than another with the same quantity of resources, because it can do so at a lower financial cost. And this concept of the absolute advantage was firstly introduced in 1776 in the context of international trade by Adam Smith. So example के through इसको देख लेते हैं. Italy and the US both use about the same amount of land space to make or to grow grapes to make wine, but the land in the Italy has been owned by a winemaking families for a much longer period of time, reducing land costs and providing Italy with the ability to produce wine more inexpensively than in the US. Now we will talk about the comparative advantage, which refer to one individual, company, or country's ability to produce at a lower opportunity cost, even though one producer may be able to produce more for less, another producer may be able to produce that good or service without giving up as many other opportunities in comparison. Assumptions of the absolute advantage theory. Smith assumed that the cost of the commodity were computed by the relative amount of labor required in their respective production processes. He assumes that the labor was mobile within a country but immobile between country, because अगर labor जो है वो दूसरी country में भी available हो तो फिर trade जो है वो मुमकिन नहीं. He took into consideration a two countries and two commodity framework for his analysis. So यहाँ से हमें पता चला कि ये कौन सा मॉडल है 2 into 1, where there is only one labor available in a country, and there is the trade is between two countries and two commodities. This is two countries, this is two commodities, and this is about one labor. So जो ट्रेड है वो ये जो मॉडल है ये 2 into 1 का है, जहाँ पर टू कंट्रीज है, टू कमोडिटीज है और वन लेबर है. The next point is he implicitly assumes that any trade between the two countries considered would take place if each of the two countries had an absolutely lower cost in the production of one of the commodities, where there is full employment in the country and there is perfect competition. Perfect competition means they have full information and कंप्लीट स्पेशलाइजेशन, यानी कि जो भी वो प्रोडक्ट को प्रोड्यूस करे तो वो जो भी उसमें लेबर चाहिए हो, जो भी उसके रॉ मटेरियल हो, वो सब उनके पास हो, यानी कि वो कम्प्लीटली स्पेशलाइज हो उस चीज़ को प्रोड्यूस करने में. एंड द लास्ट वन इज कांस्टेंट रिटर्न टू स्केल, यानी कि जितना वो इनपुट दे उतना ही उनको आउटपुट मिले.